It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now, so if you guys are interested then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sam's Beauty, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay y'all, like you guys should already know, like it is the texture for me, it's the hairline for me. Like look at how well that is blended, like none of my edges are out. This is all of the wig, okay? And it just looks so freaking bomb to me. Like I am really here for it. Like I really do like it. And one thing I wanted to say was I was always anti-concealer in the parting area, but I really feel like I do like it a lot. One of my subscribers asked if I use concealer, and I said no, and she was like, can you try it out and let us know how you like it? So I did try this 3D face creator, Ruby Kisses, HD natural coverage. Ooh, that was a lot, but I tried this one, and this one is in level 15, and I really can't say that I do like it in the parting area. I feel like it hides the knots a lot more. So I was always anti-concealer because I'm always like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be a mess. But I really do like this in the parting space, so I would definitely recommend to use this. And plus this is super affordable and it looks absolutely flawless on the lace wig. So anywho, I just had to throw that out there. So yeah, like the lace and everything, like this hairline is definitely perfect, and I'm definitely here for it. Definitely feeling it. Like it's just so freaking gorgeous, and this volume and the layers and the texture and the curls, like girl, nobody can tell me nothing in this wig. Like I know my hair is bomb. Like okay, like I just feel like yes honey in this wig, okay? And these bangs, just everything of life. Like you know I'm feeling the wig, like especially if I done threw it into a side part, okay? Because if you guys don't know, like I live for a middle part, and yeah, I'm like even feeling it in the side part. So let's go ahead and talk about the cap construction. This is a HD unit, and I really do love the lace on here. It is kind of starky, but in the same token I really do like that, because once I tinted the lace, it does look very natural. I feel like when it's that starky white color and you want to add your concealer or powder or whatever you're adding on there, I feel like it's like the starkiness is a good base for that, if that makes any sense, and it makes it more easy to like blend. So as far as the parting space and the pre-plucked hairline, I'm here for it. I did not go in and pluck anything. All I did was add a little bit of baby hair. This unit definitely does come with baby hair, but I did just go ahead and add my own because I kind of wanted it to like swoop from the other side. You could definitely use the baby hair that is on this cap. Now another thing that I really like about the construction is that it does come with an elastic band, which that's what made this unit glueless. I did not have to put it down or anything. I do feel like this unit is not like super big head friendly. I would say like it's big head associate. So yeah, like you could definitely make it work because I do have a larger size head, but in the same token, like, you know, you're gonna have to make it work. Like it's not just gonna work for you because it's definitely like not like super big head friendly or anything, or big head friendly. Like I said, it's big head associate. Now as far as the hair texture, I really do like it, as I've already mentioned. I really do like this length as well. I would say this is about like an 18 to a 20-ish on me, if you stretch the curls. And I really do love the layers. I love the texture. I love everything about this style, okay? Like I did not find not one flaw with this, okay? Like I really didn't, because this just looks bomb. I don't know what took me so long to freaking try it, but this wig is bomb. I'm telling you, this one is definitely one that you want to have in your wig arsenal. I'm definitely placing this in my wig arsenal because the layers are perfect, the hair texture is perfect, the pre-plucked hairline is perfect, as well as the parting and the cap construction is perfect. So it just checks off on all my whole list, okay? So in this volume, can we talk about this volume? Like the volume is there too. So this wig definitely checks all my boxes. Now as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of shedding and a little bit of tangling. It was nothing that would deter me from purchasing this wig. Sam's Beauty did send me this wig, but I would definitely purchase this wig on my own in another color. So yeah, but there was a little bit of shedding and tangling. I do want you guys to note that, but also note that this is a kinkier, yakkier type of texture hair, and it is curled, so of course there's going to be a little bit of that. I definitely wouldn't let it keep me from purchasing the unit because it's not shedding like a dog. You would be able to see it here on my cute top. But yeah, divas, overall, like I am definitely here for this hair. Like she is just so gorgeous, and I do not know why I took so long to try it, but I'm glad I finally was able to try her. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for sending me this because this is super cute. And sorry to the people who requested this a long time ago when it first came out. I'm just now getting to it, but better late than never because this wig is super cute. So yeah, divas, if you are interested, then definitely go ahead and check in the description box below. I will have a link to this unit, and not only will I have a link to this unit, I will have a direct link to Sam's Beauty. They are an online beauty supply store. They have all of your beauty supply needs, and they have other fabulous units as well as hair pieces, including like hair clip-ins. They have tracks, they have ponytails, they have half wigs, they have all kind of stuff, and also your other hair care needs. So definitely go ahead and check Sam's Beauty out. I'll have everything listed in the description box below, and be sure to go ahead and check them out on Instagram so you can keep up with what new styles and everything is coming out, and you can also get some inspiration from other influencers. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you fabulous girls did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.